From Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys, this is South Florida's CBS 4 News.
Struggling homeowners associations may soon have relief from owners who aren't paying their dues. A South Florida judge has passed a petition that will allow associations to collect rents from any unit in foreclosure. As CBS 4's David Sutter reports, the ruling is expected to help many associations get out of bankruptcy.
Condo associations across South Florida have been struggling with homeowners, many in foreclosure, not paying their dues. The shortfall of money has led to horror stories of garbage pileups and water being shut off in buildings, making them uninhabitable.
What's it like living here?
It's a living hell.
Winston Mullings lives in one of those condos. More than half of the units here are not paying.
It's challenging. We try our best to keep the water and to try to pick up the garbage, but because we're not having the association fee not coming in, there's nothing that we can do.
The Oaks in Miami Gardens has been on the edge of being shut down by the health department.
Very close. Very, very close.
Closed down, right?
Yes. As a matter of fact, there were times when I lost hope on it.
Javier Lopez collected $3,000 last month out of $11,000. His battle is not unusual, but he may be on the edge of changing the tide for his association.
It's not a landmark case, but I consider a landmark case because not only us, within a year, I think every association is going to be doing this. As a matter of fact, I'm 100% sure of that.
Lopez is talking about this ruling that recently came down in our courthouse.
It really is a new legal option for the associations and really in the nick of time.
The judge is allowing the condo association to collect rents directly from tenants whose landlords are in foreclosure. Receivership is not new, except the judge allowed the condo to collect from any and every unit in foreclosure. In the past, the associations would have waited months just to plead their case for one unit.
It's going to provide them with immediate income. It's going to turn the faucet off for these irresponsible investors who continue to receive income through the rent of their tenants but fail to meet all of their obligations.
The blanket receivership will target just investors who are renting out their units. Winston is hopeful.
I'm optimistic that with what's going on right now, we're going to see some real change.
Starting next week, the condo association will be collecting 8 rents with the hopes of collecting even more. Several other associations are following in the footsteps of the Oaks. If you would like to know more about the process, go to our website, cbs4.com, and click on my blog. From Miami Gardens, David Sutter, CBS 4.